Are you looking for another better streams of income? Have you been unemployed for years? Are you tired of your 9-to-5 paycheck job? Then search no further, because any of these books, videos, audios, and manuals by Olatunde Samson will change your life forever. How to become successful internet CEO within 30 days. 6 deadly small business marketing mistakes you must avoid. Turning your ideas into steady streams of cash flow. Trade your time. Developing your financial IQ. Can every Nigerian be an entrepreneur? How to market your products and services on low budget and make massive sales. Online marketing techniques you must apply to your business. 25 pictorial step-by-step e-manual on internet business opportunities. How to turn your pennies to millions. Information marketing blueprint. Secrets of making wealth from domain and web hosting business. How to design professional websites. How to blog your profits. 5,000 ebooks resources you can read, learn, and apply to your business. Available are the following: Success Attitude Development Center Bookstore, 36 Isuola Street off Ago Palace Way, Okota Isola, Lagos. Unilag Bookshops, Akoka, Yaba, Lagos. Bible Wonderland, 472 Ikorodu Road, Ketu, Lagos. Right Price Bible and Book Center, 41 Shasha Road, opposite Akonjo Roundabout, Sele Bus Stop, Akonjo. CRM Bookshops, Redemption Camp. For inquiries, please call 00212-19191 or 070-349-16691 or 005-282-7663. Visit www.businessimpactlimited.com, www.wealthcreationresources.com. Join our Facebook fan page on facebook.com/businessimpactlimited.